This zone here, this premium zone here, which is green, it simply means that price has violated this 50%. You could see this 50%. Hey guys, welcome to this new episode of Forex analysis. This is a step-by-step analysis to show you how I trade in the Forex market. This is Morix Trading Institute, and the goal of this channel is to show you or walk you through how I trade the Forex market. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I would like you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I make a new video or a new post on this channel. So very quickly guys, I won't be making use of the chat. I would make use of an empty space, more like a board, so I can explain what it's most important or what I want to explain for the day. So for example, we have a resistance high like this. Let's classify this high as our resistance, okay? And then let's classify this point here as our support. And then usually we know price move in this direction. Price move in higher high, higher low, high low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is how price moves in the Forex market. It doesn't walk in a straight line like this. Price doesn't go like this in a straight line. It goes forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and so on and so forth. So this is how price moves in the Forex market. And in terms of a bearish move, price moves like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and so on and so forth. So what is the goal or the point in doing all of this? Now, if we have price move from this high here, from this resistance, move higher high, higher low, higher sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, price comes like this, 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 and it gets to this support. Now usually you will see price reacting like this, consolidating. We call this consolidation, right? Price consolidating within a support area or a resistance area. And now if price is going to change direction in terms of, instead of continue going bearish, after instead of continue going bearish, it decide to consolidate for a while and then break this resistance. Now this is what we call resistance. It breaks this resistance like this, right? So this area here is what we call our resistance. Okay, this particular high here, this high here, this support here, this support here is our supports, and these are our highs. Now what does that mean? It simply means that price has interest in going bearish. Okay, from this high here, after it breaks this, it's likely going to come back for a retracement, and then it continues going up. Okay, so we will have price come like this, go like this, come like this, go like this, and this is how we have a change of trend in price movement. Okay guys, so now what I'm in all this, what I'm trying to explain further is to tell you how price play out in the forex market. And let's take a look at something. When it comes to trading the forex market, how I approach the forex market, when price comes like this, goes like this, comes like this, goes like this, comes like this, goes like this, and so on and so forth, right? Now this is what I do. I either use Fibonacci retracement or I use this my tool, this premium and discount to identify area where price is likely going to make a reversal from, where price is going to reverse from. Okay, so we could see it that price has stepped into the premium level. Okay, so premium is usually supposed to be green. So let me adjust something, right? So our premium level is the green box and our discount level is the red box. Now what does that mean? Premium simply means that the high where price has gotten to. Now this zone here, this premium zone here, which is green, it simply means that price has violated this 50%. You could see this 50%. Price has crossed past this 50%. Now if price is in this 50%, it's more like a Fibonacci retracement. If price is within this 50%, I am not in most cases interested in trading that currency pair or whatever it is at 50%, because most of the time 50% is not reliable for me, and in most cases it is not reliable because it's going to get violated. Definitely price is going to shoot up further, but once price gets to the premium level, which is this green field, you are rest assured that price is going to give you a good opportunity for a sell. Now in most cases price is likely going to be the price movement is going to get to a fair value gap, where you're likely to have a fair value gap. Price is coming there, or price is coming to an order block level. Okay, price is coming to an order block level. That's more like the resistance of this higher low, right? Because from this we could see that price was forming higher high, higher low. So price is likely going to come to the resistance of this higher low. Now either it comes here where you're likely to have an order block, or somewhere right about where you're possibly having a fair value gap. Okay, so once price comes there, you should be expecting, another thing that you should be expecting is a candlestick confirmation, right? You are to watch out for a candlestick confirmation. Let me do something. So let's say price gets to this point here, to this fair value gap, for example. Now you will notice that price will kind of consolidate for a while. For example, you are on 4 hours time frame, right? And price gets to this fair value gap, or it gets to this order block level. So you watch out for how price reacts on a more lower time frame, like 15 minutes or so. Currently I'm on 15 minutes chart, right? I'm on 15 minutes chart. But I'm trying to explain, in a situation whereby you have price on 4 hours time frame, and you've mapped out your fair value gap or your order block level, and then price came to the fair value gap. What you should watch out for is on a lower time frame, if price gets to the fair value gap or the order block level and then it's consolidating for a while, right? As it's consolidating, what you should be watching out for is price breaking the neckline, the support of this fair value gap or the order block level. Okay, once price breaks it, for example, once price breaks it, you watch out for a reversal. So here's the reversal, guys. Here's the reversal. So once price breaks it, it reverse, you make your entry here, and now you can decide to enter once price gets to, you will see an internal fair value gap created, or an order block level, in an order block level or in a fair value gap level, whereby you're trying to, after this neckline has been broken, where you're trying to execute your entry, like in this reversal, you're going to see something like that. So that is when, okay, let me do something like this so that I can explain better. So you're likely to see a fair value gap on a more lower time frame within this zone here. Okay, within this zone here, right? I colored it yellow. So you're likely to see a fair value gap within this zone here. Can you see this yellow box, this yellow rectangle box? You are likely to see a fair value gap within this zone here on a lower time frame, or your price is likely going to push up to the high, making it either a triple top or whatever, how many number, whether four touch or whatsoever. So you're going to see price react, okay, at the top or at the resistance of this level right here. So after that, you make your execution entry, or you watch out for the candle that is going to close after price has gotten to the fair value gap or the other block level. So the candle that is likely, you should likely expect, is a shooting star or a doji, whichever one that is indicating a sign of a bearish flow. That's price is currently weak, it wants to sell at that moment. So that's what you should watch out for. So that is that for. And similar scenario goes to when you want to buy in the forex market, when you want to execute a bullish order, right? So this is bearish order flow that I try to explain. So what else again? So in real chart matters or situation, you will notice that